Hello Gundam fans, this is Ken from 78, Ken 78. Okay, now I'm going to do a review on the extended mobile suit in action limited edition rx-78-2 Gundam real type color. Okay, this is the figure. The original Gundam will be in white, blue, red and yellow color, but this is the real type color, and with the black, red, dark green, gray and orange, not orange, yellow color, and the white stripes here. I think the real type color is cooler than the original color. Okay, let's look at the box before we continue with the figure. Okay, let's put the figure aside. Let's look at the box. So this is the box. Okay, so you can see here mobile suit in action rx-78-2 Gundam. I can see myself. Okay, extended mobile suit in action, limited edition real type color Gundam from Bandai. Side here also okay. Extended mobile suit in action. Oops, the price. Then here, look at the back. Some descriptions and some posts. Let's look inside. I already took out the thing. Later on I'll show you. Okay, this also some of the sides, the front, the sides, the back, and then the articulations and descriptions. But one thing I don't know is it doesn't come with a data collection sheet. I'm a bit disappointed with that. It doesn't come with a data collection sheet. I wonder why. Okay, enough for the box. So let's look at the things that comes. Actually, there's a red background put in behind the box here. Red background, and then behind the red background there's a little plastic pocket, and it have this instruction. Extended mobile suit in action rx-78-2. Okay, the instruction tells you which weapons, how can this Gundam carry its weapons, like the beam bazooka, the hammer, the beam javelin, the beam saber. How do you carry the beam rifle, the shield, and how do you put it in, and so on. It's all over here, but it is written in Japanese. But with the picture here, the text is useless. Okay, no need to understand the Japanese, and you can understand by looking at the picture. And also I'll tell you which hand to use for each of the accessories given. It chops down the hands of this Zaku. Okay, enough for the instruction sheet. No data collection sheet, but got instruction sheet. Okay, let's look at the figure. Okay, this is the Gundam. Actually, this is my first ever Gundam that I bought. July 2009. Okay, let's look at the color scheme. Okay, dark color, red. Okay, gray, the arms, the legs here, the knee pad, dark green, hands here, dark green, and then yellow over here. Okay, at the back, okay, you got the thruster. Okay, so let's have an overall look before we go on to another section. Okay. So now we look at the detail of this Gundam rx-78-2. Okay, same with this 78 Ken 78. So this is a Gundam rx-78-2. Okay, it is very detailed and the articulation is very good. Okay, you get one point here, you can turn. Okay. Actually, it is very good, very nice articulated. Okay, the arms you can turn, the head can move sideways, up and down. Okay. It can also do the chicken dancer. Okay, the legs, okay, can spread very wide, then you can turn, okay, sideways, up, down. Okay. The possibility of this Gundam is fantastic. Fantastic, amazing. See, the legs even can bend so up, higher up. Here the hands, and there's a joint over here, you can turn the hands also. If you have this figure, you can it's very nice figure. It's very detailed. Yeah, you see the lines over here, everything is nicely colored, not simply just painted. Okay? Behind here, the line, okay. Even the base of the leg, see the leg thruster, both very nicely detailed. Not because it is below here, nobody can see it, we just left it blank, but this Bandai people even colored it nicely detailed, not like the Hasbro figure. I don't know why. Okay, you can compare this Wolverine. There's no detail at the leg here. See, just because it's underneath. I'm Wolverine. You are never going to see my boots under my boots. Ha ha ha. Okay. Okay. Now we look at the accessories.